Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix syncing from iCloud in TikTok. If you ever receive a message that says, videos are syncing from iCloud, please try again later error message on TikTok. Then, this problem ruins your video uploads, produces a terrible latency effect, and even has the potential to cause the app to crash. When users try to upload videos to the platform, they encounter, "These videos are syncing from iCloud, please try again later" error message. In that case, here are some fixes you could try out. Simply watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Whenever you go through this issue, the first thing to do is to simply wait it out. This means that iCloud is in the process of storing the video, so the error will usually go away by itself. All you need to do is to be patient and wait it out until the problem is resolved. The next thing to do is to simply close and restart TikTok app. If your TikTok application is running on the background, simply close it off. You can also close off any other applications that is running right now. And now, make sure to press and hold the power button in order to restart your device. Slide the power off button from your iOS device and reboot your system once. Once you reboot your iPhone or your iPad, simply go and tap open your TikTok app and see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try whenever you're going through synchronizing error from iCloud on TikTok. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.